again. I am back. Oh, wow, my hand, oh, I just hit my hand. Wow, so painful. Yay, pain me, oh, my hand. Where are my people? I am back again. I say, make una not go, make una wait for me. I am back again. So please like and share the video for me, I beg. Like and share the video. Where my people now? This man una not come out now. Una can't come out. I'm coming. Wataguana. This Mohbad case, This Mohbad case, This Mohbad case, you get a CBO. So bloggers are now fighting themselves, that is what is happening now. Let me bring, they are suing themselves, not even, they don't come up for the stage of fight. They are now suing themselves. I am coming home. Hi, Paul. How you doing? Good evening. Hi, day. I am coming. G Center. It was from G Center. I saw it. Oh, sorry, I'm coming now. Yes, I want to look for the video. I even see him again. Bloggers are now suing themselves, so they don't say make some people know they talk on the matter again. No, I for pin that down just now. What's wrong with me? But it was from G Center. I saw it now. Papa Mohbad, you know, just they release music. But why is it not here? I don't get it. Okay, I've seen it. Sorry, guys. So now this is what is going on.
Let's proceed. Ladies and gentlemen,
just listen.
This is a direct message from Justice for Mohbad Movement Group.
I hope it's loud enough.
With a heavy heart, compelled to address an issue that goes beyond the realms of social media and into the lives of real people who are already grappling with unimaginable pain and loss. We find ourselves in a situation where cyberbullying has taken a malicious turn, targeting a minor, Leanne Aloba, and his grieving mother, Umi Aloba, in the wake of a suspicious death. We are all aware of the power that social media holds. It can be a force for good, connecting people across the globe, sharing information, and fostering understanding. However, it can also be a breeding ground for negativity. And in this case, it has become a weapon that is causing immeasurable harm, spread narratives and a medium of conspiracy theories.
How you doing, guys?
It is disheartening to witness individuals hidden behind the veil of online anonymity, attacking a family that is already enduring the
Thank you for joining back.
losing a loved one, Mohbad, in
Hello, Wakem. Thank you for joining back.
circumstances. The cyberbullying and false statements circulating on social media not only perpetuate the suffering of the innocent, but also contribute to a toxic culture that has far-reaching consequences.
I hope it's loud enough.
I implore those who are engaging in these harmful activities to pause and reflect on the gravity of their actions. Cyberbullying is not just a matter of online words. It has a real-life repercussions, which includes fine and jail terms.
Thank you, and yes.
The pain inflicted on the minor and his mother is palpable, and their wounds are still fresh. It is our moral responsibility as a society to uplift and support those in distress, not to exacerbate their suffering. Let us allow the police and the courtroom do their jobs, rather than we turning our social media handles to a courthouse of jury, judge, bailiff, and criminal. Justice is what we crave for. We have paid our taxes, and we need to follow the right protocol to seek this justice. I issue an ultimatum to those responsible for spreading false information and engaging in cyberbullying. I repeat, I am issuing an ultimatum to those responsible for spreading false information and engaging in cyberbullying. Retract your statements from your social media handles within 24 hours. Retract your statements from your social media handles within the next 24 hours.
Wahala, don't call me.
Understand that your words have consequences, and you have the power to mitigate the harm you've caused. Here's a list of a few of those who we implore to retract their statements, which had led to cyberbullying of
people that are saying, women like
narratives, conspiracies, and falsifying statements of suspects which are in police custody. Westo Adekunle Adejumo.
Westo is on TikTok.
Rules. Larry Omodia of African TV. Arifanla Jogun Omoduagba.
It's also on TikTok.
Bukola Jesse. Buki
on Facebook.
Kudi Alowole Yeye Kudi
on Facebook.
The Music Pivots.
I don't know that
Papariano.
On TikTok.
Idowu Adebanwo, known as Team Lagata UK.
On TikTok.
Baby Girl. Teni Omologo, Mama Isik, Veron, Shola Rapata, aka Shegeya Blog, Kofi, Lady S, Lenchi, Aduke Okin, Omo Success, Omo Bolanle Oshiniyi, also known as Yes and Amen, Sele S.A., Tolani Ilesumi, aka Comfy TV, Lati Atunda, aka Latisne Solution. Concerning the issue of DNA test, the court have also recognized the use of DNA test as one of the means to determine the paternity of child when the question arises for determination. In the case of Olayinka versus Adeparusi and Arnold in 2011, in the Court of Appeal held that, to my mind, the paternity of the dispute rest has not been determined. Anybody can be awarded custody of the child, but the most important thing is that if a party is claiming paternity, it is right that the court of law should be allowed to determine same on proof of evidence relating to paternity, which could only be done by referral for a DNA test of the parties involved. After such test, First, the court has a duty to declare the actual father of the child in dispute, in consonance with the evidence at its disposal. See also Ibiabuchi and Ibiabuchi versus Ibiabuchi 2016, also in the Court of Appeal, noted that by the combined effect section 165 of the Evidence Act and section 84, Matrimonial Causes Act, a legal presumption is also created in respect of the legitimacy of the child. This position was recently confirmed by the Supreme Court in Idahosa versus Idahosa 2020. 254 SC, where the apex court held inter alia that any person born during the continuance of a valid marriage shall be presumed to be a child of that man. The burden of proving otherwise rests with the party alleging the contrary. Under the Nigerian law, evidence to dislodge paternity requires proof beyond reasonable doubt. Under the section 165 of the Evidence Act, any person born during the continuance of a valid marriage between his mother and any man, or within 280 days after the dissolution of the marriage, the mother remaining unmarried shall be presumed to be a child of the man. In addition to the above said, Section 63 of the Child Rights Act governs the taking of the use of DNA tests in Nigeria by providing that in a civil proceeding where the paternity or the maternity of a person is to be determined by the court, either of the parties to the suit can apply for the administration of scientific tests, including blood tests and the oxoribonucleic acid (DNA) test to ascertain the parentage of such person. The court also reserves the right to revoke or vary their order for same. Let's proceed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a direct message.
Oh, sorry.
I stand before you today with a heavy heart, compelled to address an issue that goes beyond the realms of social media.
So, this set of people, they are for Wunmi. They are also fighting for justice for Mohbad, but they are mainly for Wunmi. They don't like what Papa Mohbad is doing to Wunmi. And then there are another set of group of people who are also fighting for justice for Mohbad, but they are for Papa Mohbad and thinks Wunmi is responsible for the death of the husband. So they are calling out Wunmi to do the DNA. So eventually, these two group of school, they are now concording together. So now they don't move them out from cyberspace. It's going to go into the courthouse and courtroom, to the big house. May they go judge the matter. So they are giving these names. You hear the bloggers that they called 24 hours to desist from bullying Wunmi and Liam. Yeah, I would say they are bullying Liam because now every day that they give Liam different papa. More than 7 papa, they don't give only one pikin. That child is just 7 months old, but he don't get 7 different papa. These are people that this boy no know, but these people will just wake up because they want view. If you go to TikTok, it's something different entirely. They will just sit down there and be saying things they don't even know anything about. So now they don't give them 24 hours to desist from talking about or accusing Wunmi of buying Mohbad, because there are some, especially one when he call himself K boss man. That one will just say that Wunmi na buy Mohbad. Now it's like Mohbad, now Mohbad they call Mohbad. Now Wunmi. So he goes from platform to platform crying that it is Wunmi. Don't forget African television came out and said Wunmi should come and do DNA. He go pay 10 million. That one, they one come now. This one now broke out from African television group. So those ones, they are not fighting each other. Instead of Papa Mohbad to sit down and ask himself, what is K Boss Man interest in this matter? Because you carry the matter for head past the papa when saying they ask for DNA. You are the ones that are pushing this man to be doing these things that he's doing or be asking this question that he's asking. You guys are the one. So they don't knock in chest say for Yekudi platform say for you to get to Papa Mohbad, you have to pass through him. Hey, say wahala don't come. Oh. So it is that bad. That is why this group of people have now come together and then they are giving them warning. I think after now they said they give them 24 hours to stop accusing Wumi or face the wrath of the law. And I think few of them, when I don't see that I know, don't still knock their chest, say they will never stop accusing Wumi. In fact, they even can accuse Wumi more. So to hell with these people that are giving them warning. Anything when they want to do, they go do them. So it is that bad. That is the stage where we are now in the fight for Papa Mohbad and Wumi matter. So it is now fight between Papa Mohbad and Wumi instead of we to be fighting the killers of Mohbad. No, we are no longer looking for the killers of Mohbad. Rather, it is now fight between Papa Mohbad and Wumi, and his sickening is so sad because that was why I played that Ruth Matthew case for you to see. That was how Ruth Matthew case was on board, and people were available to fight for justice for Ruth Matthew. But unfortunately, they turned it into money-making machine. They started fighting presenters, using presenters against presenters. At the end of the day, the entire everybody leave the matter for them. But today they are begging us to come and talk for the same matter when they tell us we could not talk. So that is why I brought that issue, because if Papa Mohbad is not careful, if you say you are fighting for justice, I'm not calling Wumi now, because Wumi is not the one calling out people or using presenter head to knock. No, rather it's Papa Mohbad that is granting interview, and these people talking for him, accusing this, accusing that, going from platform to platform. So that is why I'm saying Papa Mohbad. I don't have anything against him. If not for him, I don't like the way he comes out for Wumi and Liam. If you want to do it on a low key, do it on a family level. You don't need to bring it to social media when it can become social media people food. So now they have given them 24 hours. Make we see whether after the 24 hours, whether they not go talk about Wumi. As some people talk yesterday, they said, in fact, and now they go start to the chat the Wumi. So let's be watching. So that is it, my people. I won't stay long. I'm tired. I need to go and sleep. So that is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. So I appreciate every one of you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Oluwakemi Sola, thank you very much. You don't share. Yes, I can see. Thank you very much. God bless you. I will see you all tomorrow by the grace.